coming to exercise 8.1 sums, that is find the ratio. This is one in first B sum. Find the ratio of 5 meters to 10 kilometers. If you observe here meters are the units, here kilometers are the units. So both are not same. Any one you need to convert. So I want to convert 1 kilometer to meter conversion. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So 10 kilometers equal to 10,000 meters. Now what is the required ratio? Equal to 5. Now you need not write the units. 5 is to 10,000. So what is the simplest form? 1 is to 2000. Ratio has no units. Okay. To write the ratio, the quantity should be in the same units. But finally the ratio will not have any units. Okay. This is the one B sum. Next one. Second. Convert the following into percentages. So here also B I am giving. First one A is very easy. That is 2 is to 3. So already we discussed what is that ratio can be written in fractional form also. So 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 by 3. And now how to convert fraction to percentage? What is that? So 2 by 3 should be multiplied with 100 and you have to write the percentage symbol. So here if any cancellation is there you can do, but actually it is not exactly divisible by 300. So 200 by 3 you will get. Now just you can write it as mixed fraction and you can leave. So how many times it is? 6 and here also 6 and what is that? Remainder is 2. Okay. So 66 2 by 3%. No need to write as decimal. If you want you can write it also, no problem. 66.66 like that you will get. Both are correct. Okay. 66 2 by 3%. So in this way ratio can be converted into percentage. First we have done ratio to fraction and then fraction to percentage. Coming to fourth sum, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their winning percentage is 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So here what is given, actually winning percentage is given, that is 40, and how many matches they won is also given, that is 10. But total how many matches they played we don't know, that only we have to find out. So let it be X. Let the total number of matches they played be X. Okay. Now what is the winning percentage? Winning percentage equal to 40. So how can we write the equation now? 40% of X equal to 10. Did you understand? So here 40% of the total number of matches equal to 10. Why? The winning percentage is 40 and the number of matches they won is 10. So 40% of X equal to 10. Now percent how to write? By 100. Half means into X equal to 10. So here 4 2 times, here 5 times. So 2 by 5 X equal to 10. Now X you need to find out. 10 into 5 by 2. Here actually simple equations concept we are using. How you have done in second chapter like that. So here 5 5s are 25. So what is this X? The total number of matches. Therefore the total number of matches the team played equal to 25. Okay. Next sum, that is fifth. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So here once if you observe what is given, 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money. So what is the total money she had in the beginning? We don't know. Okay. That's what we have to find out. So here after spending 75% of her money means what is the money she did not spend? That means what is the money she saved? That is 25%. Okay. So here the percentage of expenditure. The percentage of expenditure. Expenditure means spending. expenditure equal to 75. So what is the percentage of savings? Percentage of saving equal to 25%. Okay. So here what is the saving amount? 600 rupees. Okay. 600 rupees she saved. And percentage is 25. So how can we write? And what is the total amount? We don't know. So let the total amount she had in the beginning also, you can write if you want, she had be X. So here how can we write? Means 25% of the total amount, that is X, equal to 600 rupees. Understood all of you? So here the percentage of expenditure is given, that is 75. So based on that percentage of saving, how we got this 25? If you want, you can write it as 100 minus 75, then 25. Even in that way you can write. Okay. So that is 25% she saved. So what is the amount? 600 rupees. So 25% of X. What is this X? The total amount she had in the beginning. That is X. So 25% of X equal to 600. Now percent means what? By 100 into X equal to 600. Now here you can cancel. So 1 by 4 X equal to 600. Now X equal to 600 into 4, transposition. Okay, 2400. So what is the total amount she had in the beginning? That is total amount Chameli. Also you can write Chameli had in the beginning equal to 2400 rupees. Understood? Next sum, sixth one. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game is the question. So here I wrote it. So here 60% of the people like cricket, 30% of the people like football. The remaining people, the remaining percentage of people, they like other games. Okay, whatever it may be. So here what is that percentage? You have to find out. For that what you need to do? Percentage means per 100. So here 100 minus 60 plus 30 you have to write. So the percentage of people like other games equal to 100. The total is 100 always. So 100 minus 60 plus 30. Both you need to add that percentage. So 100 minus 90%. That is 10%. So 10% of the people like other games. Now here one more is given. Total number of people is 50 lakh. So each type of game is liked by how many people you need to find out. Okay. So now number of people like cricket equal to what we need to do? 60% of 50 lakh. The total is 50 lakh. That's why 60% of 50 lakh. Here I wrote as a number only. Okay. So 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. Now what you can cancel? So here wait, one more zero. So here what you can cancel now? Here 2 zeros you can cancel. That means 100 we are cancelling. So 6 5s are 30. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. So 30 lakh. Okay. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Okay. Next, number of people like football equal to what we need to do? 30 by 100, just like this, into 50 lakh. Now here we can cancel. So that is 15 lakh. Okay, 15 lakh people like football. Next, number of people like other games equal to, you can do 10%, 10 by 100 into 50 lakh you can do. Otherwise just these two you can add. 30 lakh plus 15 lakh, that is 45 lakh. Total is 50 lakh. So 50 minus 45. Even in that way you can do. Okay. Whatever way you want, you can do it. So I want to do like that. So 50 lakh, that is the total number of people, minus 30 plus 15, that is 45 lakh, equal to 5 lakh, that is 5 lakh. Hope it is clear for you. This is 5 lakh. Okay. So here number of people like cricket is 30 lakh, number of people like football is 15 lakh, and the number of people like other games is only 5 lakh. By adding all these three, you will get 50 lakh people. Hope all of you understood these concepts and 8.1 sums.